say, Dizzy, Dizzy, Dizzy. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello,
Where?
Dizzy Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Look, I have lunch for Aisling.
Hello, Joe.
Oh, hello, Aisling.
Is that my lunch?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'll go back to the pizzeria and get you another one.
Great, because I have some deliveries for you to do at the pizzeria.
Good.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering tomatoes, cheese, and a box.
Okay, and I can get you the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
I don't.
Hazel and Chef JP are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Great, let's go. Hello, Connor. Oh, you sit down and I'll bring you a coffee.
Oh, thank you, Joe.
Okay. I'm a very good barista.
That's not good.
Yes, it. Oh! Oh! It's time to go.
Enjoy.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm JP.
Ah, and you must be Hazel.
Today, we're going to make the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
I love making pizza.
Let's love sign. Pizza. Pizza. You sign. Pizza. Good. Pizza.
I love making pizza.
But first, you have a delivery for me.
I have a delivery for you?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. I remember.
I need to make tomato sauce.
I've got lots of tomatoes. Wait here. Oh. Tomatoes.
Now we need to make the sauce.
Let's love sign. Sauce. Sauce. You sign. Sauce. Good. Sauce.
What's Joe doing?
Is that the pizza? But it's a ball.
It's not ready.
What do we do?
We have to roll the ball.
No.
Now, can we cook the pizza?
No.
Aww.
Let's love sign. Cook. Cook. You sign. Cook. Good. Cook.
That pizza is not the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
We need vegetables and cheese.
Cheese, my next delivery. Wait here. Oh! Cheese.
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 That's not the right cheese.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Dee.
Put it in the middle. Here, you get your cheese. Do you like that?
What's the cheese taste like?
What happened to my pizza? Now we have to cook the pizza.
Hot.
Dad.
We need a box for the pizza.
Dad.
My last delivery. This is for Aisling. A box.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Did you get my pizza?
I have the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
Thank you, Joe.
Bye. Well, it's time to go. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Hazel.